Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are doing a model preview tour of the Princeton II floor plan. This is part of the Manor line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennars Southwest Florida communities. The Princeton here is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. You're going to get over 2,200 square foot, as well as the 3-car garage. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful model here. So as we come inside the Princeton floor plan, directly to our left is going to be the dining space, and then to the right are going to be the first of 2 guest bedrooms. So first guest bedroom up here towards the front of the house, nice big windows, lots of natural light. You get the bifold closet there, and then sandwiched between these 2 guest bedrooms you have the guest bath with the singular sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower. And then we have guest bedroom 2 here, again with the bifold closets as well. Now coming across the dining space here, we have guest bedroom number 3, as well as the entry to the garage and laundry space. So this is your laundry room here, and then that's access to your 3-car garage. And then we have guest bedroom number 3 here. Now coming back across past the dining, we're going to check out the kitchen and living room spaces here. So your kitchen, you've got the flat island overlooking your great room areas. You have the eating kitchen area over here in the corner overlooking your views. And the great room here, plenty of space for entertaining. The Princeton floor plan is fantastic for that. Now coming across the great room, we are going to take a look at the owner's retreat here. So plenty of space here. That's a king size bed for perspective. You get a huge closet here, his and hers closet. And then your bathroom here with the dual sinks, you get a huge shower there, as well as a linen closet, and then your water closet as well. Last but not least here, you have the exterior space on the Princeton floor plan. So you get a nice amount of space under truss here, and plenty of room for a pool and spa package if you like. All right, folks, so this is the Princeton II floor plan. If you're interested in this floor plan, we can help you find it at one of Lennars Southwest Florida communities. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.